I'll guide you through how to add a cookie consent on Webflow. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for 𝗕𝘂𝗀𝘀𝘀𝗀. Click Sign Up in the top right corner. Then, go to the Widgets section in the top left corner and select Cookie Consent in the Tools column. Click Create Widget for free. On the template selection page, choose the template you want. For example, select Right Floating Box and then click Continue with this template. Next, click Add to Website for free. Once finished, click Publish in the top right corner. In the pricing section, click Select in the free column. Then copy the code by clicking Copy Code. After that, open your browser again and go to webflow.com. Sign in if necessary, then open your project. In the project editor, click the plus icon in the top left corner, search for code, and drag the code block element onto your project timeline. Right-click inside the code block, click Paste to insert the code you copied earlier, and then click Save and Close. Once the changes are saved, your cookie consent widget will be embedded in your Webflow project.